Good day, sir. My name is Hyacinth Lavinci de Rosario, and I will be reciting the Article 13, Mitigating Circumstances. By the way, this is my right ear and this is my left ear. Article 13. Mitigating Circumstances. The following are the mitigating circumstances. Number 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attended. Number 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proved against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80. Number 3. That the offender had no intentions to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4. That sufficient provocations or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Number 5. That the act was committed in immediate vindications of a grave offense to the one committing the felony or delito, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. Number 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passions or obfuscation. Number 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agents, or he had voluntarily confessed his guilt to before court prior to the presentations of the evidence for prosecution. Number 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or suffering from physical defect which thus restricts his means of actions, defense, or communications of his fellow beings. Number 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him of the consciousness of his act. Number 10. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.